Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to turn on and off the location services in your iPhone 17. At first, you have to go to settings and here scroll down to the privacy and security over here. Tap it and tap on location services, which is the first option. Here we have this switch. If we tap that, our location services are now enabled. But to disable them, tap the switch once again and tap turn off. And actually, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like under this video. It's very important to us to have your feedback. And as I said, that's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.